Events are the lifeblood of the cannabis industry. In a time where we can't all meet face-to-face, what can we do? Take it online with the Emerge Virtual Cannabis Conference. Personalize your avatar and get ready to step into Emerge, where your brands and products are brought to life in this unique virtual experience. Using the state-of-the-art Hyperfair platform, attendees can join live webinars, watch pre-recorded seminars, and network with speakers, exhibitors, and other participants. Exhibitors have the ability to choose from a variety of booths, which they can customize to create an interactive experience, where conference guests can view product demonstrations while interacting with other live attendees. Complete with downloadables, video advertising, and digital brochures, Emerge brings a completely customized experience to our exhibitors. Take advantage of virtual booth assistants who are always there to assist guests 24/7 at your booth. It will be the virtual place to attract new clients and get business done over 90 days. There are 4 levels of sponsorship to choose from: Platinum, Gold, Silver, and Bronze. This is the future of cannabis here, now. Emerge Virtual Cannabis Conference.